guys, and of course, welcome back. Today, I am going to go over a English listening comprehension exercise. The exercise is about you being a temperate person, okay? The story is also about Rick. Rick is a student at an expensive university, and he is a basketball player. So don't forget to like this page, guys, and please hit that subscribe button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. So listen to this exercise and comprehend, okay? With that said, let's go. To be a temperate person means for you to avoid behavior that goes beyond what is reasonable or healthy. Okay? Rick is a student at a university, at a expensive university, a private university. He is lucky because he has a wonderful offer from the university's sports department. He can study for free because he is a great basketball player. And the university's basketball team needs him. He just needs to maintain good grades and he can study for free. But you know what? Rick likes going to parties more than he likes studying. Playing basketball is what he loves the most, but he likes partying almost as much as basketball. He goes out with his friends 4 or 5 times a week. That means that Rick misses a lot of his classes because he usually doesn't feel well in the morning after partying all night. He tries to do his best at basketball practice, but he feels sick there sometimes too. Rick really likes his teammates because they are so much fun. He convinces some of them to go out with him on Wednesday night. They are all having lots of fun very late that night at the party and drinking a lot. They decide to play some basketball outside. They feel as if they are responding perfectly, but of course, because of the alcohol, their reflexes are quite really slow. As they play, one of Rick's teammates falls down and breaks his arm. They have to take him to the hospital, and they are all very embarrassed. Naturally, Rick's basketball coach is very angry. He tells Rick that he is being very irresponsible. I spoke to your teachers, his coach tells him. They say you miss lots of your classes and that your grades are very bad. If you do not stop all this drinking and partying, this will not get better. And if you do not improve your grades, you will have to leave the basketball team at the university. You have some thinking to do, Rick. Rick is in shock. He does not want to leave the basketball team. He thinks about his parents and his grandparents. They are so proud of him. And before he left for the university, his little brother told Rick he was his hero. Rick knows that he can do much, much better. When he really sits down to look at his situation, Rick decides he is tired of feeling sick every day. He wants to show his family and his teammates that he is really responsible. And most of all, he wants to play basketball at a big university. This is his dream, and he will not throw it away by partying and drinking too much. From now on, Rick decides to be a temperate and enjoy what he loves. Again, temperate means to avoid bad behavior. It means to stop going beyond what is reasonable or healthy. Please listen to this English listening exercise. Look at the words, practice the words, and you will soon be speaking like a native English speaker. And don't forget, guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Until next time, have a great day, okay? Bye.